Massive thunderstorms swept through the D.C. area, triggering a wave of flight disruptions at Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport, DCA. Heavy rain, strong wind gusts, and lightning led the FAA to institute ground delays, impacting hundreds of travelers. Average postponements were around 39 minutes, while many flights were outright canceled. On July 25th, intense summer storms rolled over Washington, with wind speeds peaking at up to 39 miles per hour near the airport. Heavy downpours submerged local streets and damaged trees and power lines throughout the metro area. The FAA activated a ground delay program, mandating queue control for arrivals to ensure airwaves remain safe. DCA bore the brunt of the disruption, with cancellations increasing by an estimated 274% compared to last year, the highest rate across East Coast hubs. Nearby facilities such as Washington Dulles, IAD, and BWI also experienced delays as the storm front pushed through. The arrival of heavier storms across the Northeast triggered FAA-imposed ground stops beyond D.C., impacting airports from Baltimore to New York, with over 1,170 cancellations recorded on July 31st. Many departures were delayed by 3 hours or more. Nationwide, an FAA tally showed over 4,400 flights delayed and 500 canceled in a single day, mostly due to weather interruptions. Several carriers issued travel waivers, allowing passengers to rebook without fees. At DCA itself, delays averaged 39 minutes, with many departures pushed well beyond scheduled times. Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson also faced theatrical disruptions in tandem. Check your flight status frequently, as weather conditions may trigger sudden delays or cancellations. Airlines including American, Delta, and United have issued travel waivers for affected East Coast airports, like DCA, IAD, EWR, PHI. Changes are permitted through early August in many cases. Be prepared for longer wait times, potential rebooking queues, and use of ground stops enforced by the FAA to manage airspace safely. Meteorologists advise that storms remain possible into the evening hours, keeping flood and lightning warnings in effect. Heat and humidity are expected to persist. The FAA warns travelers that further ground stops and operational disruptions may continue through the week if unpredictable weather persists. The storms over Washington, D.C. served as a stark reminder of how vulnerable air travel remains to volatile summer weather. With major hubs like DCA seeing sharp rises in delays and cancellations, the disruptions reverberated region-wide, underscoring the need for preparedness and vigilance when flying during storm-prone periods. Be sure to stay updated, stay flexible, and allow extra travel time if your journey crosses the eastern seaboard this weekend.